Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I welcome you in our video channel. Dear students, the subject today I am going to teach you is English 1 of class 1, lesson 6. The name of the lesson is a science experiment. Dear students, which subject do you like the most? All of you like different subjects, but I hope you like science too. Though this is English class, in this chapter we will learn about a science experiment. So here, dear students, do you know what is the meaning of science experiment? Science is a subject where we learn how things happens in nature, and experiment is an activity done to find out how things happen. Now let's go through the lesson. In this lesson we will find a teacher who is called Mrs. Rao, who is a science teacher. All the students of our class like our classes as she explains everything very clearly. She always finds out many new ways to explain the lesson. Today we find her teaching how plants grow. So students, do you know how plants grow? What are the things needed for a plant to grow? Can anyone answer my question? Okay, I will help you out. Plants need sunlight, water and good soil. I repeat it again. Plants need sunlight, water and good soil. Coming back to the lesson, 2 weeks before Mrs. Rao helped the students plant some seeds in 4 different pots. Students, do you know what is the meaning of plant here? The spelling of plant and plants is same, but they have 2 different meanings. The meaning of plant here is to bury seeds in the soil so that they grow into plant. And plants means a small tree. As Mrs. Rao planted some seeds in 4 different pots, here I will give you a little description of the 4 pots. The first pot, it contained poor soil, and the second pot was kept in dark room for some days, and the third pot was not given water for a few days. Here the 4th pot had very good soil and got plenty of water and sunlight. So students, have you noticed the difference between the 4 pots? Yes. The plants of the first, second and third pot are quite weak than the 4th pot. Why? Can you say? The first pot has poor soil, so it cannot prepare food properly. And the second pot was kept in the dark room. As we all know, without sunlight, a plant cannot survive longer, and so with the 3rd plant. But the 4th plant had good soil, had plenty of water and sunlight, so it grew faster in compared to the 3 pots. So coming back to the lesson, one Saturday Mrs. Rao put all the 4 pots on her desk and wrote a short note on each of them. In the first pot it was written, seeds planted in poor soil. In the second pot it was written, pot kept in a dark room for some days. In the third pot, it was written, not given water for few days. And in the fourth pot, it was written that seeds had good soil, plenty of sunlight and water. As we all need food, water and sunlight to survive, plants also need the same. Here Mrs. Rao explained the difference between the four pots. Then she left the four pots on her desk and went home without locking the classroom. On Monday morning, when she came to school, she was very surprised to see one pot was kept on the window sill and the others were watered. She wondered who did those. Then she found a short note on her desk. In the note it was written that, I will read out the note, you just hear. Dear Mrs. Rao, we found the labels on the pots and thought we would help you with the plants. We have watered all the pots. We changed the soil in the first pot and kept the second on the window sill to get light. We hope the plants will grow better now. So dear students, what do you think? Who have written this note? This note was written by the Boy Scouts. The Boy Scouts are the group of boys who help others, who are always ready to help others. So, this note was written by the Boy Scout. Here we come to the end of this lesson. Hope you have understood and also how to take care of plants. Dear children, you have learned in this science experiment how to grow a seed into plant. As you all are at home and have plenty of time, I wish each one of you will plant a seed with the help of your parents and take good care of it. Thank you. Take care of yourself and stay at home.